Hello there. Michael has never hidden his dislike for Drew. The history is filled with tension, arguments, and bitter confrontations that had left deep scar between them. In Michael's mind, Drew has often crossed the line that cannot easily be forgiven. Because of that past, many people in Port Charles assumed Michael would be the last person to show any concern for Drew. But truth is more complicated. Despite everything that has happened between them, Michael is not the one responsible for the shooting that left Drew in such fragile condition. In fact, when Michael hears about Drew's current situation, he feels something he did not expect: pity. Whatever anger he once had toward Drew does not erase the fact that someone nearly killed him. After thinking about it for some time, Michael decides to do something surprising. He goes to visit Drew. Michael tells himself that the visit is simply to see Drew's condition and make sure he is alive. Part of him also wants to prove that he is not the kind of person who would celebrate someone else's suffering. Even if Drew has been his rival, Michael believes some lines should be crossed. When Michael arrives, the atmosphere immediately feels strained. Drew appears weak and quiet, almost too quiet. Something about the way he looks around the room makes Michael uneasy. It feels as though Drew is being careful about every small movement he makes. Then something unexpected happens. As Michael stands close to Drew, Drew briefly makes eye contact with him. In that moment, Drew softly blinks and shifts his expression in a way that looks like a signal. It is quick, almost impossible to notice unless someone is paying close attention. Michael notices the signal immediately set off alarm bells in his mind. Drew's expression seemed desperate, almost like a silent plea for help. Michael quickly realizes that Drew may not be safe at all. The more he observes the situation, the more suspicious he becomes. One possibility suddenly stands out to him. Michael begins to suspect that Willow may be involved in something dangerous. If Drew is trying to secretly ask for help, it could mean he is being controlled or threatened. The thought alone is enough to push Michael into action. Michael decides he cannot leave Drew there. Instead, he begins looking away to quietly move Drew out of the house and get him somewhere safe. If Drew really in danger, waiting could make the situation worse. However, Michael may not realize how difficult his rescue will be. Sidwell and Willow are both deeply involved in whatever is happening around Drew. If they notice Michael is trying to interfere, they would not let him take Drew away easily. The situation could quickly turn into another dangerous confrontation. As Michael prepares to act, tension continues to grow. Will Michael succeed in rescuing Drew, or will Sidwell and Willow stop him before he can uncover the truth?